In life, we often find ourselves grappling with the challenges that come our way. We dream of a better future, aspire to achieve greatness, and long for a life filled with success and fulfillment. The question is, how do we turn these dreams into reality? How do we bridge the gap between where we are now and where we want to be? The answer lies in a powerful principle known as the law of assumption. The law of assumption, popularized by Neville Goddard, states that our assumptions create our reality. In other words, what we believe to be true about ourselves and our circumstances shapes the outcomes we experience. It emphasizes the power of our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations in shaping the course of our lives. Belief is the foundation upon which the law of assumption operates. Henry Ford once said, "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." Our beliefs determine the limits of what we can achieve. If we believe in our abilities, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities. On the other hand, if we doubt ourselves, we limit our potential and hinder our progress. To harness the power of the law of assumption, we must be willing to shift our perspectives. It requires a conscious effort to reframe our thoughts and adopt empowering beliefs that align with our aspirations. As Wayne Dyer said, "Change the way you look at things, and the things you look at change." One powerful way to shift our perspective is by cultivating a mindset of abundance and possibility. Instead of focusing on limitations and scarcity, we can choose to see opportunities and abundance in every situation. This shift in perspective allows us to approach challenges with optimism and creativity, leading to innovative solutions and breakthroughs. Understanding the concept of the law of assumption is just the first step. To truly manifest our dreams, we must apply the law of assumption in our daily lives. Here are some practical steps to help you harness its power. Step 1. To manifest your dreams, you must first identify what you truly desire. Take the time to reflect on your goals and aspirations. What do you want to achieve? How do you want to feel? Be specific and vividly imagine the desired outcome. As Napoleon Hill once said, "Desire is the starting point of all achievement." Write down your desires and create a vision board or a visual representation of what you want to manifest. This process helps you internalize and reinforce your desires, allowing your subconscious mind to align with your conscious intentions. Step 2. Once you have clarified your desires, close your eyes and create a mental image of yourself already living the life you desire. Visualize yourself already living the life you desire. Engage all your senses to make the experience as real as possible. See the vibrant colors, hear the sounds of success, feel the emotions of achievement, and immerse yourself in the experience. Visualization serves two purposes. Firstly, it clarifies your desires and creates a detailed picture of what you want to manifest. Secondly, it helps you cultivate the emotions and beliefs associated with your desired reality. When you vividly imagine your success, your subconscious mind interprets it as real and begins to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with that reality. Step 3. Affirmations are powerful tools that align your thoughts and beliefs with your desires. For example, if your goal is to start a successful business, you might affirm, "I am a successful entrepreneur. I attract opportunities and abundance into my life. Every day, my business grows and thrives." By consciously affirming your desired reality, you reinforce your assumptions and invite the manifestation of your dreams. As Louise Hay said, "Every thought we think is creating our future." Step 4. To bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired outcome, act as if your dreams have already come true. Embody the qualities and habits of the person you aspire to become. For example, if you desire to become a successful writer, start by acting as if you are already a published author. Dedicate time each day to writing. attend writing workshops, connect with other writers, and visualize yourself signing books at a bookstore. By acting as if, you create a powerful alignment between your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. As you follow the steps, now let's identify the limiting beliefs. To fully harness the power of the law of assumption, it is crucial to identify and overcome limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or self-doubt. Take the time to examine your beliefs and ask yourself, what beliefs do I hold about myself and my potential? Are these beliefs serving me or hindering my progress? Limiting beliefs can manifest in various areas of our lives, such as relationships, career, finances, or self-worth. They often take the form of self-critical thoughts, doubts, or fears. Some common examples include, I'm not smart or talented enough to succeed. I don't deserve happiness and abundance. I always fail at everything I do. By identifying these limiting beliefs, you bring them into your conscious awareness and can begin to challenge them. Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge them. Question their validity and seek evidence that contradicts them. Replace negative self-talk with empowering affirmations and supportive self-beliefs. For example, if you believe you are not intelligent enough to succeed, challenge this belief by acknowledging your past achievements. It could be a small or big achievement. Seeking inspiration from others who have succeeded in similar circumstances and reframing the belief as, I am capable of learning and growing in any field I choose. Remember, as Tony Robbins said, it's not the events of our lives that shape us, but our beliefs as to what those events mean. Our beliefs are not fixed, and we have the power to change them. Manifesting your dreams through the law of assumption requires patience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are our dreams. Trust the process, stay committed to your vision, and remain patient even when results may not be immediate. As Ralph Waldo Emerson wisely said, adopt the pace of nature, her secret is patience. To fully embrace the law of assumption, it is essential to trust in a higher power or the universe. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, guiding you toward your dreams. Let go of the need to control every aspect and surrender to the flow of life. As Lao Tzu said, nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Your destiny is in your hands, and the possibilities are limitless. If you're still with me, congratulations. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Please leave me a comment if you would like to support my work. Thanks for watching.